guys, so hello.
Hello.
We're just actually I just realized the camera's very high. I'm not very good at doing vlogs, so this is gonna be actually we need to look here, I keep forgetting. This is gonna be our third episode or so together. We're going to a new funky place in Shoreditch in London. We're gonna try some food and we're gonna film it and you're gonna watch us eat. Yes. We'll take you along, so come along, let's go. We're just gonna have to leave you alone. Yeah, we're gonna have to leave you alone. You're gonna sit here all day. Well, not all day. It's gonna be alright for a few hours? Yeah? Are you gonna be okay? Alright, buddy. See ya. Takes forever. This guy. So they always say the women take long. Actually, it's quite the opposite. Are you gonna take your backpack?
Yes.
This is us with this huge equipment over here. Oh. Are you excited about the food?
Very much.
Oh, look at these dimples, so cute. I love it. I love it. Okay, we just arrived here in Shoreditch. It's actually started to rain and it's super windy. Look at that.
Hopefully it's the last cold day in this winter. Very windy.
Yeah, it's raining, so we're gonna get in, but I just wanted to show you, it's just over there, right there. We're gonna walk in there. I'm so hungry, so hopefully we're gonna order lots of delicious food to show you as well. There we are approaching. There it is. Kinilaw and BUKO. Very exciting. All right, let's go. What do we have here?
These are Filipino monkeys based with monkey shoulder scotch.
Oh wow.
Crème de bois, walnut bitters, to water and maple syrup. And one of the most beautiful things actually is that we try to balance it up and give an experience to customers, basically trying to let them eat the ginger and the peanuts. So you got different flavors.
So do you kind of try that together and then take a shot? Well, a drink?
Once you try with the peanuts, you have a sip, then you wait a little bit, you have another sip, you try with the ginger, and you see the difference basically, whatever. Especially because this one pops on your mouth.
Yeah, okay.
So I have your ceviche style prawns, your scallop.
Oh, lovely. Thank you so much. Alright, you've never tried ceviche before, have you?
No. It's nice, it's a lot of flavors.
Yeah. So I'm gonna try the scallops. They come in the shell. How cute is that? Okay, shall we try this? I'm gonna just kind of have a whole spoon with all of the stuff in here. It's like wow, that's amazing. It's like an explosion of crunchy and soft and a lot of flavors. I can taste the seaweed there as well. I might just try this there. Really delicious. So over here we have some sea bass. It looks like it's in coconut milk. Ivar is gonna try this.
Of your crispy pork belly and an adobo sauce.
Oh wow.
Sweet potato salad. Can I get into anything else in the meantime?
We start from sweet potato salad.
though.
I like sweet potatoes. Very nice.
It's like some of them soft, and another one is a chips from sweet potato. Nice. I like it.
Getting stuck into my food. So?
But if it's 7 days, I want to take
Very good. Oh my god. Oxtail is the same as beef tongue in my country. So it literally tastes like kind of beef tongue deep fried in this creamy peanut butter sauce. Amazing.
Okay, try. Very delicious. Nice.
Yeah? Okay, now we're gonna try the pork belly. Pork belly is one of those dishes that I absolutely love. So I really tried the glaze and it's fantastic. So I'm gonna try and have a small bite from this. And look at that glaze. I can see it's crispy on the top and very soft in the middle, and that glaze is literally dripping. So good. It's like a perfect ratio of crispy skin and like the fatty middle. Right. Oh wow, the sauce. Oh my god. It's a bit of spicy hint in there. It tastes like seashell sort of velouté together with peanuts. Now we're gonna have the main bite of the crab. Oh my god. Wow. That is amazing. Look how juicy that is. Honestly, if this food was like that when we went traveling to Philippines, I would be much happier. Amazing. And with the sauce, it goes so well. So we just got our dessert and it comes in this cone. This is BUKO. Okay, I've got 2 ice creams over here. Chocolate. And what was the first one? Oh my god. So the first one is lychee and it tastes amazing. I was like, this tastes... Oh my god, it's got ginger candy on top. I've never tried ginger candy. Whoa. It's like an explosion in my mouth of like the ginger shot with sugar. The lychee one is like my favorite. This looks so good. And now I'm gonna try the chocolate cherry. Oh my god. That is like a dream if you're a chocolate lover. That is actually so good. I can't believe it's made with coconut. So this is one of the traditional cocktails that they have here. It's called Halo bubble tea. So apparently you mix that through. Wow, look at all these bits that are inside. Oh, I don't even know what is that. Look at that. Very excited to try this. so we just finished eating at the restaurant, went away home. We had such a lovely evening, such a lovely dinner, so I'm gonna
Very
definitely, yeah. We loved it, right? It kind of completely changed our opinion on Filipino food, and if we had that, we would probably love the trip as well, isn't it?
Every single dish was very unique and very tasty.
So I would definitely recommend this place, and you know, like I'm very picky eater, so what did you think? Would you come back there?
I would actually come back there.
Yeah.
Definitely would go maybe with some of my Philippine clients.
So my favorite dish was the sea bass ceviche. I thought that was the bomb, and the crab. Oh my god, so
The
good.
crab was good. Yeah,
Crab
and ice cream was really good.
And ice cream was really original, very tasty as well. So we absolutely loved it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll be doing more vlogs. Let us know if you want to see more videos like this. If you do, then we're gonna try and go to funky, cool places around London and try different foods. See ya!